Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we have two affordable smartwatches. We have the i9 Ultra Max Smartwatch, and the other one is the T800 Ultra 2 Max Smartwatch. Both are in the affordable category. So we will compare these two wearables in terms of design, as well as the features, the menus available on the smartwatch. Again, we have here the i9 Ultra Max smartwatch, and the other one is the T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch. These are Watch Ultra clone smartwatch with affordable price and loaded with different features, including the basic and advanced functions. If you have any questions regarding the video comparison, just drop a comment below and we will try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, let's start and compare these two affordable smartwatches. Again, on our left side we have the i9 Ultra Max smartwatch. Okay, let me fix the strap. And on our right side we have the T800 Ultra 2 Max smartwatch. So we have here the packaging. As you can see, the T800 Ultra 2 Max smartwatch do have a much better box here, okay, with the features at the back. While for the i9 Ultra Max smartwatch, the typical packaging for somewhat very affordable smartwatches, okay, the basic smartwatches. Okay, in terms of the charging cable, here is for the i9 Ultra Max smartwatch. It is using a charging cradle, okay, with a magnetic on it for easy attachment, still USB. And for the T800 Ultra 2 Max, it is using a wireless charging for charging the wearable. Okay, in terms of design, both do have a 49mm body frame. Okay, let's replace the screen display here, or the watch face, okay, so we can see better. Okay, the i9 Ultra Max comes in black color, while the T800 Ultra 2 smartwatch or T800 Ultra 2 Max smartwatch comes in titanium color. Okay, side by side. Okay, let me move this one. So both do have a big crown button here with a side button at the back. So here on the i9 Ultra Max, we don't have a real screw or a watch strap lock. Okay, it is inserted via force fitting. While for the T800 Ultra 2 Max smartwatch, we have a watch strap lock, but it's not working, as you can see here. Here, it's not. Okay, holding the strap. Okay, I think we need to replace it with a much thicker strap. And we do have a real screw here, a star screw. Okay, so let's have a closer look at the back panel. Okay, the same material, I think. On the other side, we have the orange action button. With the T800 Ultra 2 Max do have a much larger, okay, action button here. Okay, so let's see what's the function of each button. Okay, you can use this one to scroll the watch face to select for the T800 Ultra 2, while for the i9 Ultra Max, the same also. On top, okay, we have the notifications. Here, we also have the notifications. For the side button, somewhat like a return button, I think, or off screen button. The same function. Okay, this one, sports function. Okay, the same dedicated sports function. Okay, for the functions available, let's see. Okay, with the T800 Ultra, it is watch face. While for the i9 Ultra Max, it's the typical setup here. Okay, you can scroll directly or you can select directly on the list of different functions. Okay, on the bottom part, we have the quick settings. How about this one? Yes, the same. I think they have the same icon, I think. For the main menu, just press the power button and we have here the different functions. Okay, so we have the Bluetooth call, okay, with support for the phone book. Seems like there's no call history for the i9 Ultra. We do have here in the T800 Ultra Max. Okay, we have message notifications, we have health. I like the smoothness of the i9 Ultra here. It's easy to select, as you can see here. You can scroll on the list of functions, while this one somewhat like a flipping a page for the T800 Ultra 2. Okay, so as you can see here, they have the same features, I think. While this one we have a games here. More, let's see. Settings. So we have here these settings. But the setting for the T800 Ultra I think is much better. Come back for the sports. Let's see. Okay, come back on the home, press the sports. We have walking, running. Just the same icon here. With the T800 Ultra do have a much bigger icon but the same sports function. Okay. So again, let's see. Walking and running, we do have here cycling, skipping rope. Also have basketball, tennis, football, climbing, and that's it. Okay. So the T800 Ultra 2 Max Smartwatch has additional sports function compared to the i9 Ultra Max. Okay, we have yoga, dancing, indoor free training, rowing. Okay, so for the health, let's see. Let's go to the health section. Let's see if they have the same UI for the heart rate. You have here the heart rate. Okay, so different UI. For the blood pressure, so different UI again for the blood pressure. How about the style? Menu style, we also have a menu style here. So grid style, I think I like the setup of the i9 Ultra Max here. Okay, it's easier to understand, okay, compared to the style of the T800 Ultra 2 Max. Go back, calendar, we have language support, we have pedometer. Let's see for the automatic activity tracking here for the T800 Ultra. So we have here the steps, distance, and calories. Find phone, camera. What else is different? We have weather, also have calculator, almost the same here. Music control, let's see the music control here. Okay, so this one, it will not show you the UI. You need to connect it to the smartphone. Okay, in terms of battery life, the T800 Ultra do have a much longer standby time compared to the i9 Ultra Max. Okay, I think better icon, much better icon for the T800 Ultra 2 Max, and it has an additional features compared to the i9 Ultra Max. Okay, but of course the i9 Ultra Max is much affordable. Okay, and I like the titanium color here. Again, we have here side by side comparison. Okay, so that's it for the short video comparison of the menus and features and design of i9 Ultra Max smartwatch compared with the T800 Ultra 2 Max smartwatch. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the video comparison, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Bye!